NASA is starting a new mission to send people to Mars. But there's a catch. You can never come back to Mother Earth. Kaz Poplawski has more.
Planet Mars is 249 million miles from Earth. It takes 942 hours or 39 days to rocket to the red planet. The United States has already sent 3 high-tech rovers that transmit images and vital information from an environment that averages about minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The next major step would be to send people to Mars, a plan being organized by both the government and private companies. We asked the science teachers and students here at Washington Park School if they would participate in such a mission, knowing they could never return to Mother Earth.
I probably would not join because I think I would miss Earth too much and I would miss all of my family and friends that are here. So if I could go and come back, I would do it, but if I would have to stay, I probably wouldn't.
I would not want to go. I wouldn't want to go to Mars and never be able to come back. I would miss everything here on Earth.
Yes, I would definitely go. The reason why is because it would be exciting to start life on a new planet.
No, I don't think I'd want to be a participant. I'm very happy with the amenities that we have here on Earth. I like our flora, our fauna. My family is all here, and they wouldn't want to go either. So I think I would stay here.
No. The reason is because I would miss my family and friends, and I would be like one of the only people there.
I would not like to join because I wouldn't know if I can survive or grow food on Mars.
Although we know that people can't come back from Mars, teachers and students told us why they believe there's no return ticket.
It's very difficult to get all of the materials and enough fuel on the rocket that they have right now. So they're trying to work on a new rocket that will give them enough fuel. But right now, if they send someone to Mars, they wouldn't be able to come back.
They probably won't let them come back because they may carry diseases or bring something back to Earth that may hurt our life here.
Probably because it's cost prohibitive currently with the technology we have.
I think it's a really long trip.
No, I don't. I think it's too cruel to leave people on Mars for the rest of their lives.
I disagree with people getting sent to Mars forever because they can miss their families, their homes, and their whole lives can be wasted just on Mars.
There has been some speculation that there is life on Mars. Images from the rover and other unmanned missions have found ice below the surface. Because of this, astronomers believe that life, although not human life, could survive and live on Mars.
I'm not sure. I think we'll find out once we get there.
I think there's a good possibility there may be, even if it was something as simple as bacteria. But if it does have water or once had water, there is possibility that there could be life on Mars in some form.
No, I do not.
I think that there possibly could be life on Mars. I don't know if there's life right now on Mars, but there probably could have been life. And I think that's one of the things that they're looking into in testing, if there was life on Mars and if Mars could sustain life now.
Yes, I believe there's life on Mars. There's millions of galaxies in the world, in the universe, so that we're not alone.
I believe there are life on Mars because there's a tons of galaxies in the whole universe. You don't know if there's anything in there.
While NASA is looking for exploration and science on Mars, teachers and students believe there are different reasons for the mission that cost almost $2.5 billion just for the Mars rover Curiosity.
I think they're sending people to Mars so that they can learn more about the planet and see if it's a place where people can live one day.
To learn about the planet, to see if it's possible to have or life could be able to live.
They're sending people to Mars to explore a new planet because someday we are going to need to inhabit other planets.
I think it's a great opportunity for those that want to go and to study another planet in our near area. If there's another planet out there that could sustain life, I think it's worth knowing about.
Because for research on how life works on Mars or how Mars works.
I think NASA is sending people to Mars because they want to test to see if we can stand on Mars or even live on Mars.
The government is not the only organization trying to reach outer space and Mars. 2 private companies, SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, who is most famous for Tesla automobiles, and Blue Origin, founded by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, are racing to the final frontier.
And then there's the European Space Agency, also pouring billions of dollars into reaching the red planet.
It's no doubt an exciting time for scientists, space buffs, and the space race. Kaz Poplawski, TBN.